You know, in life, we have those pinch me moments. This is one of mine. Hi guys, hope you're doing well. Welcome back to our channel. This video is so special for me. I can't even express how surreal this feels. I'm actually here to introduce to you our beauty brand. Even when I say it out loud, it feels so unreal, but we have a beauty brand, guys. We launched it on 7th of September and its name is Snacc Cosmetics. Pretty sure some of you must be wondering that didn't we already have a brand? Is this like a second brand which we are launching? I'll tell you. House of Sharma is not just a brand, it is also our registered company, and Snacc is a trademark under House of Sharma. So although it looks like and it sounds like it's a completely new, different brand, it is actually a part of House of Sharma. Snacc Cosmetics is going to be all about makeup tools and accessories. I've been a beauty blogger for more than 5 years now, and one of the most important things that I've learned in this journey is that good quality makeup tools are as important as good quality makeup. With Snacc, we want to bring you really high quality, mid-range to affordable makeup tools, and I can promise you one thing, they are not only going to perform well, they will also look super cute. Before I show you the products, I want to share with you a little funny story about why we named it Snacc Cosmetics. One day, Arjun and I were sitting and we were actually brainstorming names for our cosmetics brand, and we were thinking of all kinds of names. During this conversation, I actually told Arjun that, you know, we both are foodies and I personally love food so much. I wish someday in the future we also launch a brand which sells snacks. And that was it. Arjun was like, hold on. Why can't we name our beauty brand Snacc? As soon as Arjun said that, we both got super excited and we were like, okay, that's it. We have found our name. It is easy to remember, it is catchy, and it completely goes with the kind of theme that we were going for. Snacc is actually a slang. It means a highly attractive person. And much later, we also realized that you can also say that it's Shivangi and Arjun Cosmetic Company. Now let me show you the beautiful products that we launched in phase 1 of Snacc Cosmetics. We've launched a small but well thought out range of makeup sponges, guys. The range is called Base on Fleek and it's got two main products. The first one is Base on Fleek Velvet and the second one is Base on Fleek Cloud. These are the two sponges from Base on Fleek range, and we've also got this really cute product. It's called Snackables Duo and it's a set of two mini makeup sponges. I'm going to quickly tell you about these products one by one. I'm going to start with our Base on Fleek Cloud sponge. This is a really soft sponge, guys. That's why, you know, we thought of the name Cloud, because it's just so soft. It is latex free, it is hypoallergenic, it's suitable for everyone, and it feels good on the skin. Even if you're a beginner, you can actually work pretty fast with this sponge. It doesn't leave any streaks on the skin and it gives you this beautiful, flawless, natural finish. Also, it really feels like a marshmallow in your hand. It is like so soft and it's got that marshmallow texture. I can personally vouch for its quality, guys. In fact, all the products that I'm going to show you, I can vouch for their quality. They perform really well. Now, Base on Fleek Velvet is a velvet microfiber makeup sponge. This has a different texture than Cloud. It's really soft, but at the same time, it's fuzzy. The fibers in our velvet sponge plies the product evenly on the skin. It's a breeze working with the sponge, guys. It gives a flawless, satiny finish to your base. Also, because of the texture of this product, it doubles up as a really good tool for baking or to set your base with powder. This sponge is kind of multi-purpose. I personally also use it dry to sometimes, you know, set my base and apply powder and stuff. So it works really well for that. Now, our last and final product, Snackables. You know, whenever I look at these, I just get so happy. It just brings a smile on my face because they're just so damn cute, man. Although our snackables are tiny, they work super efficiently. They come in really handy to blend your concealers and to reach the hard to reach corners of your face, like the inner corners of your eyes. Snackables can also be used for precise application and blending of products. They blend any creamy or liquid blush beautifully. Because they're really tiny in size, you get a lot of control over them. So the final finish of your blush or your contouring product is going to look very neat and precise. I honestly love our Snackables and I use them in so many different ways. Sometimes when I mess my lipstick or my eyeliner or something, I clean up all the messy parts with these and they come in super handy. That was all about the 3 products that we've launched in the first phase of product launches in Snacc Cosmetics, guys. I honestly hope that you like the look of these products and you like the packaging and everything. I can give you this guarantee that the products that we have and we are gonna bring in Snacc Cosmetics are always gonna be of good quality. I'm gonna make sure that they perform well because makeup is my domain, and if I don't create good makeup tools or products which are related to makeup, then I should just pack my bags and go. I genuinely hope that you also like the packaging of the products because I have designed them. I have a design background, guys. I also designed the packaging of our Luxe candles, and this time, I was so excited to work on Snacc Cosmetics packaging. So these were like designed by me from scratch, and I hope I did like a half decent job with it. Please check out our products, guys. The links are of course gonna be everywhere. It's gonna be in the description box, in the pinned comment, at the end of this video. You can also find Snacc Cosmetics store on my YouTube page. There is a section called store. Now you can see Snacc Cosmetics products there. There's just 3 products right now, but I promise you there are more coming. With Snacc, we are planning and hoping that we are able to launch products more rapidly. We have like things pipelined already for this year, and this year is already ending. Yeah, like what is happening? I don't understand. Time is like going so fast. Anyway, please check out our website, guys, snaccosmetics.com, and even if you don't buy anything, your feedback itself is going to be so valuable to us. Please check it out and let me know how we did, and if you do plan to buy something, then don't forget to tag us on all our Instagram handles. It is honestly the most beautiful feeling when we see the products that we've created in your homes and with you guys. So please don't forget to tag us. I'm going to end this video right here, guys. Thank you so much for all your love and good wishes. I say this a lot of times, but I genuinely mean it. I love you and I'm so grateful for you. There have been times in my life where I felt so beaten down and when I felt that I won't be able to do anything good in my life. But here we are today, and it really wouldn't have been possible without the love and just the genuine good energy that you guys have sent my way. It means so much to me. I really never thought that there will come a day when there will be so many people rooting for me and wishing me well and just loving me unconditionally. So thank you for that. Please take care of yourself and stay safe, guys. I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to check out Snacc Cosmetics. Bye. Mwah.